Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's haul is going to be for my little scrapbook store, but if you could, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell so that way you get notified whenever I upload new content and when I have new goodies to share. So we're going to start diving right in. This is my recent haul, and I will say, if you get anything from Michelle, you don't have to worry. She packages everything so well. You don't have to worry about stuff spilling or anything getting wet. It's, I can't rant and rave enough about it. So I wanted to share, I left a few things in the packaging so you could see. I got the new Picket Fence ombre glaze. So it's the 3 different shades. And I'm trying to open it and I'm like, okay, I can't figure it out. We'll worry about it later. I know she has a blue and the purple. I wind up getting the purple because I just don't have enough purple anything. So if I see it, I'm going to buy it. So that way the powers that be know we want purple. And then she sent me this, the Simon Hurley. I think this one is, I got it right here. It's a Lunar Paste. And this one is called Bee Sting. So we're going to play with that. I grabbed some black paper just so you can kind of see it on there. But it has a nice shimmer to it. It probably is even better once it dries. If I can remember, I'll bring it back over. I want to tell you, I don't think I remembered and I didn't bring it over, but we'll keep going. I finally got the Rustic Wilderness Distress Oxide, and I got the new colors from Catherine Pooler, the Bay Breeze, Sea Glass, and this one, which is Tranquil. So I got those 4. I'm sorry, my phone was doing something. And I'm trying to get it cleared out of the way so that way it doesn't distract me. I also got this scraper tool, which to work with the paste and different things like that. I know this isn't Teflon because I remember her talking about it. So it's a harder material. So this should be really great for using the paste and stuff, because I also got a few things from Vicki Boutin. So in this package here, I'm going to pull out, let's see, dropsies. Okay, I got another container of the art glitter glue. I had the smaller 2 ounce, but I wanted to get the 4 ounce. And I saw Michelle actually had her pin in this bottle without the precision tip. So I'm going to try that because it did go in really easy. Of course, this one is brand new, and I forgot it has the paper still on it. I was like, why won't this go in? Duh. That's why it won't go in. So we're just, bear with me. I'm trying to put it back in on the side there, and then I'm putting the top back on. So that's another backup. And then I got the, okay, hers are called Mixatives, I believe. Oh, no, Creative Effects. And this is an iridescent glaze. And then we also got the gold glaze. Yeah. So these are fun to use. You can use them with stencils, obviously. You can, I don't know. We'll find out more about what you can do. My brain went like totally empty there. But they're fun, and I'm starting to take a lot of Vicki Boutin classes, so I wanted to have some. I got the sequin mix, the Portsmouth, I think that's what it said, with the really pretty blues. We got the Picket Fence sequin mix. This was the first sequin mix I saw. And then we also got the Sands of Time. I already have 2 of the other gems, and I've used them on projects, and I really do like these containers. They're really cute. They're almost like a, what is it, makeup compact. The only thing I will say is that sometimes some of the gems do get like in a spot where you can't close it correctly, so be careful. Okay, I'm just giving you fair warning. Now, Michelle also had these Pink and Main gems. Now these gems they're really interesting because they almost feel like sequins, but they do have a flat side, like a flat back, your flat back pearls or diamond, the different sparkles from the different companies. I'm trying to see. I think I tried to take a couple of them out just so you can see them on my hand, because it's hard to kind of tell in the container, but of course, sometimes it's hard for it to focus. But it's interesting. They're not like 100% what I was expecting. The pearl one, OMG, that's the one I saved for last, and let me tell you, that one is stunning. Some of the pearls have sort of like I wouldn't say a multiple color. I don't want it to seem like it's tie-dyed or something like that, but it just has like they're too pretty. I'm gonna pull them out here in a second. So as soon as I saw them, I was like, okay, one, I'm liking these gems in the individual containers. I think it'll be easy to kind of store. I'm thinking in like my Alex drawer or something like that, where I can just make it all about, gems or sequins, something like that. And then that way I would have a place to where I could just go and grab those items. And these are all tiny enough. That one, do you see the blue and the pink on the pearl? Oh my God. It looks so much better in person. I will say that. They're stunning in person. So I got those because I was like, oh yeah, I need to get those. And then we're going to start with some of these. This is the gold letters. There's no numbers on it, but you can never have enough. And then these are the Dana Wakley feather chipboard pieces. And then real quick, I just want to go through some of these. These are pink and Maine. This is a 6x6 pad. And what I like about the pink and Maines, they do have the double-sided patterns, but on the other side, it's the same pattern for like a couple of different sheets. So you see almost like a burlap material. Then this one is polka dots. So you got like a gingham and then polka dot. Same thing. And then you have the plaid. And I think all these have polka dots. They're just in different colors. So we had that red, then like a light blue, and then a little darker tealy blue. So I like this one. I think I saw Christy Marcotte use this one for like one of her 6x6 series. And I was like, oh, I didn't realize Michelle had it, so I grabbed it. And then I also grabbed, I'm not going to wind up opening it on the video only because it doesn't come in a separate container, and it's the way they have it packaged. I don't want to open it and run the risk of papers falling out. But I've used this one, which is the Aquatini paper collection. And with Catherine Pooler's, they are not double-sided. However, you do get 3 sheets of each of the pattern papers. So instead of it being just the flat out 24, I want to say, no, you still get 24 sheets. It's just 8 designs, and you get 3 of each of those. Duh. I can add, trust me. All right, so I'm going to put that one back or to the side. But yeah, this one it's a lot of fun. I like how it's multiple colors. And then the thing with Catherine Pooler inks is that, or papers, they always tell you what inks they coincide with. So that's fun. Okay, so now I went a little stencil crazy because you just can't have enough. So I like this mixed media one from Dana Wakley as well. I had to get this fish one. I'm probably going to wind up using it on a card for Father's Day. And then I got the 2 drink stencils. And let's see. Oh, the next one, this butterfly. I can't wait to use this butterfly. And I'm going to use, you guessed it, yes, must use it. I love the sun rays. Now, this is a slimline stencil, but you can still use this on an A2 size card. You would just do like a matte, cut a shorter piece. So that way it would cover the entire piece. And then when you put it onto your card front, you would have a nice border. Now this one is from Catherine Pooler, and since theirs sits on a white background, sometimes it's harder to see. But this is a checker, and what I like about the checkered design is that you can color in one and then shift your stencil and then use another color and create you a really pretty checkerboard. And then this was kind of unique. So I'm going to grab a piece of paper to put on top. So you got the cloud stencil that you can use on the top and the bottom edge, right? But then you can also use the open area to make color, and then use the other 4 squares to create texture on top of the clouds. I'm like, that was really ingenious. Like one stencil and you can do so many things with it. So I like that. It'd be interesting. And I have kind of a problem because I collect cloud stencils and hardly ever use them. So now we're going to show you, I was showing you the rainbow vellum sheet, and then I also got this paper. This is the 70s. And I love this. Those little squares, I feel like you could definitely cut them out and use them as ephemera pieces. You could cut out the letters on that other page. And these colors just bring back memories. Now, I was a young kid in the 70s, but I remember a lot of these patterns. Sorry about that. I don't know why. Whenever you do a video, if you guys never done a video, you always wind up either having to sneeze, cough, or yawn. I promise you. But aren't these some cool patterns? Okay, and I got this collection because of a photo that I'm getting ready to grab to show you. I have 2 of them left. I already scrapbooked it once, but I just loved how I think it just goes really well with this paper. And I know I'm a lot older. I'm definitely out of the 70s when that photo is taken, but I just think it goes well. It goes well. So I'll probably be doing a layout using this collection with these 2 photos shortly, because it's something I definitely want to do, and that's why I purchased it. So I hope to be able to use it quickly. So here's all of our goodies back. Oh, did I mention that alpha? If I forgot to, the larger alpha is a wood grain. I don't know if I held that up or not, but yeah, definitely. And I'm going to try my very best to link everything that I got in the more section below. So definitely check that out, you guys, okay? So thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And if you have any questions, you can leave them down below. And I will greatly appreciate any thumbs up that you guys give me. All right, you guys, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you with our next video.